my Dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm here with another makeup tutorial requested by you guys. This one is a Selena Gomez inspired makeup look and I absolutely love it for summers. This is perfect with the peach lips and the peachy eyes, a little bit of shine on the lids and peachy cheeks. I absolutely love it. So without further delay, let's get started. So I just washed my face with this Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. This one is my favorite, no doubt my favorite cleanser. It doesn't dry out my skin because I have combination to normal skin, especially in this season. And the reason why this one doesn't dry out my skin unlike other cleansers is because this one is free of soap, parabens, it's free of fragrance, and it's great. Next, I've been trying out this Derma Essentia Vitamin C Serum, and I've been trying it out for the last 1 week and I have been loving it. So I'm just going to put 2-3 drops my skin and apply it and massage it into my skin. If you guys want me to do a review video on this one, let me know, I'll do it for you. Next, I'm going to use my favorite moisturizer. This one is the Nutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizer. So as soon as I apply it, it just cools down my skin and soothes it immediately. This one is for all skin types, and if you have dry skin conditions, this is really good. I actually love this one. This one feels like it hydrates my skin really well. It just seems like my skin just soaked up all that goodness from the moisturizer, and look how glowy my skin looks right now. The reason why I show you the cleanser and the moisturizer and the serums before I start with my makeup is because it's very important to have a good base, and it's very important to prep up your skin before you start with the makeup. Next, I'm going to take this Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD Ace of Base Radiance Primer. I actually love the glow that this product gives. If you're looking for an illuminating primer, then this is it. It also somehow moisturizes the face and gives it a beautiful glow. Like, it's really illuminating. And do you see the glow? Next thing I'm going to use is, I think this one is a dupe for MAC Face and Body. I must say this one is very close to the MAC Face and Body, and this one is the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Second Skin Foundation. This one comes in a dropper and it is actually like second skin, and this one blends beautifully into the skin, like really nicely. I mean, just look at how beautifully it blended. And I love any foundation which gives that glow. I don't really like the matte foundations. I love the glowy ones, and this one is so glowy. Okay, now look at this one. Doesn't it actually look like your second skin? Like, it actually looks like your skin but better, you know. I love products that makes my skin look like my skin but better. The natural look, the natural glow, I'm all about those products. Finally, I found something that is very close to MAC Face and Body, and I'm happy to share it with you guys. Next, I'm going to use my favorite concealer. You guys know it. Say it out loud. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer, and if you guys guessed it out loud correctly, then right now I'm giving you a virtual hug. Can you feel it? This one blends so smoothly. Consistency is light, but the coverage is medium to high, and I love how it blends super easily. I mean, just look, it blends like a dream. The reason why I used the previous concealer is because it's similar to my skin shade, and that helps me hide my dark circles. And the one that I'm going to use right now is this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and the reason why I use this one is just to highlight my under eye area so that it looks a little bit fresh. Just a tiny bit. I don't like using a lot of products at a time, but just building up products. L'Oreal Infallible one has a heavy coverage, so you just need to apply a little bit, otherwise it will appear cakey. Okay, so taking this LA Girl Pro Powder, I am going to set my under eye area. Now I'm going to bronze my face with this Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. And I'm going to take this shade. The brush I'm using is the F002 from Mascara. I'm just going to bronze my face. Okay, for blush, I'm going to use this Savannah Colors Ultra Blush Palette using my Nika Blush Brush. I'm going to highlight my face and I'm going to use the same Makeup Revolution palette and use the highlight shade. This one is a beautiful highlighter. And the brush I'm using is from Mascara. This one is the F004 brush. And this is so beautiful. This is not too intense. You can build the intensity. And if you just apply a little bit, it'll just look normal, like natural. Like this is the first. If I add it, I'm gonna get a stronger one. And I'm gonna highlight my nose, a little bit on my forehead, my cupid's bow, and my chin. So for my eyebrows, I'm gonna use the Sugar Arch Rival Brow Definer. I haven't really experimented with brow products, but I love this one. Next, I'm gonna use this Tan Beauty This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette. And I am going to use this shade in the crease of my eyes. I'm going to use the Oriflame blending brush. The eyeshadow is really pigmented and blends smoothly. I'm also going to take the same shade and using my E007 Mascara brush, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. When your crease color and the lower lash line color is the same, it brings the whole look together. The next shade I'm going to take is from the Sugar Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette. I just cleaned my E007 brush with a pack brush cleaner. I'm going to use the same brush, pick this color up and apply it on my eyelids. This one is a shimmery peachy champagne-y shade. I'm starting from the inner corners and stopping right in the middle. And then taking my E006 Mascara brush, I'm going to take this shade and apply it on top of my eyelids. This one is a little bit more mauvey. I'm going to take this color. This one is a little bit mustardy and a little bit orangey. So I'm going to take this shade and apply it in the crease of my eyes because I think the crease is a little bit too brown. And I'm just going to take it and very lightly just apply it all over my eyelids also, but very lightly so that it's not that shimmery. Okay, so I think that is it for the eyes. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. For the mascara, I'm going to use this Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD Whopper Lashes. Okay, so this is with 2 coats on. I just forgot to apply the highlighter on my brow bone area, so I'm going to apply it right now. And also the inner corners of my eyes. I just put on some lashes. These are the Nika Real Deal lashes. Now I'm going to take Nika Lipstone Light Lip Liner in the shade Chocolate Boy. And you can take any nude lip liner you want. Now taking this Sugar Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick, this is in the shade Deep Peach Mode. Now I'm going to top it off with the Color Bar Diamond Shine Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Afterglow. I'm just going to take the Tan Beauty eyeshadow palette and take this black shade right here. Ever so slightly, I'm just going to place it on my lash line. So guys, that's it for the tutorial. This is a super easy look and it can be achieved in maximum 10 minutes. Selena had curls on like I did on my thumbnail as well. So if you want to get really close to the look, then you can curl your hair. Okay, so if you liked it, then do give it a like, share it with your friends and comment down below how you liked it and also what other looks you want me to try. Subscribe to my channel and my hair is sticking. That's why I don't like lip glosses. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.